Okay, now I'd like to thank all the speakers for your excellent presentations. We truly appreciate your contribution. Now I'm wrapping up. This two-day workshop that began yesterday has been organized to raise awareness on CCS and carbon credits generation from CCS activities. In order to promote the deployment of CCS in ASEAN and beyond, and for private companies to reap the benefits of GHG reductions, we have shared good practices on how to calculate GHG reductions, manage risks, and in addition, leverage carbon markets. They are key to generating high-quality carbon credits. Well, Matthias explained how carbon credits can incentivize CCS projects, showing the result of case studies. And he also touched on the possibilities that the JCM could help bridge the current gap between low carbon prices and actual CCS costs. That was so interesting. And from Maris, we have learned ACR's requirements, including technical aspects such as data collection, monitoring, how to quantify emissions reduction, how they assess additionality, and so on. Since ACR is a historic credit scheme with the CCS methodology, we all should keep our eyes on its updates. And from Gerald, Bella, we have learned overview of BCS scheme and its recent status and requirements for geological stretch. For more detailed information, I recommend you visit Bella's website. Bella is committed to transparency and disclose all the information stakeholders would need. I am also learning about carbon credit schemes from Bella's website, though. And Christian introduced the CCS Plus Initiative's activities, which is taking a systematic modular approach to develop a comprehensive and robust methodology for the CCUS sector with complex value chains. And Elise shared very valuable case study of Northern Lights project. Thanks to Elise and Matthias' presentation, now we kind of got the sense how voluntary carbon credits will increase the economy of CCS projects. And Patrick at Southpole explained the differences between reduction and removal for achieving net zero, as well as expectations for the potential and role of the compliance and voluntary markets for both types of credits. Well, the presentation materials and videos of the entire workshop will be available on the official JOGMEC website. In addition, as I mentioned, as an output of this workshop, we plan to publish a handbook summarizing the contents of this workshop. So we hope that the handbook would facilitate the generation of carbon credits from CCS in ASEAN and elsewhere. And just a couple of quick favors for you. Number one, we appreciate if you could answer the questionnaire to be displayed when you log out. And number two, please follow and subscribe to JOGMEC Twitter and YouTube channel. We keep posting information on our webinar series, latest activities, and tons of information relating to energy and mineral resources development. With that, I would like to conclude the entire workshop. Again, thank you all for your participation and have a good rest of the day. Bye bye. ありがとうございました。